Air travel is one of the safest modes of transportation, but sometimes tragedy strikes. On January 29th, just before 9 p.m., a devastating mid-air collision near Washington, D.C. took the lives of 67 people, leaving investigators searching for answers. American Eagle Flight 5342, just moments from landing at Reagan Washington National Airport, collided with a Black Hawk helicopter conducting operations in the same airspace. There were no survivors. Among the victims were aspiring young athletes, beloved coaches, dedicated professionals, and experienced military crew members. Today, we remember their stories and explore what went wrong on that clear evening. American Eagle Flight 5342 departed from Wichita, Kansas, carrying passengers and crew members. Among them were several young figure skaters, returning home after attending the National Development Camp, an elite training program held in connection with the U.S. Figure Skating Championships. They had dreams of one day competing on the world stage. As the aircraft approached Washington, D.C., a Black Hawk helicopter carrying 3 crew members was also flying in the area. Despite clear weather conditions, something went tragically wrong. Just a few hundred feet from landing, the 2 aircraft collided mid-air, sending Flight 5342 into a catastrophic dive. Emergency responders rushed to the crash site, but sadly, there were no survivors. As details about the victims began to emerge, the world learned of the bright young athletes, dedicated professionals, and loved ones who lost their lives in the crash. Among them were 6 members of the Skating Club of Boston, including 2 rising figure skating stars, their mothers, and 2 esteemed coaches. They had just finished a weekend of training, hoping to take their skills to the next level. Their loss has sent shockwaves through the figure skating world. The Skating Club of Boston released a statement mourning their passing, remembering them as passionate, hardworking, and full of potential. We are also learning more about others aboard Flight 5342. Each of them had a unique story, a family, and a life filled with dreams and aspirations. Among the 3 crew members aboard the Black Hawk helicopter was Captain Rebecca Lobach, a highly skilled military pilot with years of experience. Captain Lobach was known for her dedication to her service and her exceptional piloting skills. She had served in numerous operations, demonstrating bravery and commitment to protecting others. Her fellow service members remember her as a leader, a mentor, and a friend, someone who always put others before herself. Her loss is deeply felt across the military aviation community. In the days following the accident, the National Transportation Safety Board launched a full-scale investigation. Their goal? To uncover what led to this horrific mid-air collision. With clear weather that night, many questioned how 2 aircraft operating in a highly controlled airspace near Washington, D.C. could have collided. Investigators are still analyzing flight data, radar recordings, and communications between air traffic control and both aircraft to determine whether this tragedy was caused by a miscommunication, an air traffic control oversight, or a failure in flight coordination between military and civilian aircraft. This heartbreaking accident has reignited discussions about aviation safety, particularly when it comes to military and civilian aircraft sharing congested airspace. Experts are calling for enhanced air traffic coordination, improved collision avoidance technology, and stricter flight path regulations near major airports. While air travel remains one of the safest modes of transportation, tragedies like this remind us that constant vigilance, innovation, and rigorous training are essential to preventing future disasters. We remember the 67 passengers and crew members of American Eagle Flight 5342, as well as the 3 military crew members aboard the Black Hawk helicopter whose lives were tragically lost on January 29th at 9 p.m. Their memories live on in the hearts of their families, friends, and communities. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share to spread awareness about aviation safety.